breakout. I'm gonna ignore it, okay? I need to look. Can you like extra see my breakout? Oh my gosh, I'm so yeah. I've been super sick, so I also want to say that I bought a comb for this video. Okay, so I got my package from Xmondo, and so we're gonna open it. And I just took a shower so that we could do this. Period. Period. I'm so ugly right now. Sticker pack. And then Xmondo is here for you to achieve your hair goals easier than ever before. Period. I'm saying that too much. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So first, I just got a restock on my Glitterati. Let me show you what mine looks like right now. And this is what mine's at right now. I got this like a year ago. And I needed a refill, but I'm so excited. I need it. I love this shit. So we're gonna put that to the side because I don't need it quite yet. And then I got the salty sea salt spray. And I immediately like how this is at the bottom, so you're able to get all of the product. This one says ride the wave and get summer hair all year round. This sea salt spray is formulated with salt water from France that is rich in natural minerals combined with baobab oil. I don't know what the fuck that is. Spray 12 inches away to evenly coat damp hair, scrunch, and air dry. Okay, perfect. And then I got motherfucking Wave Tech. Yeah, that's, you heard me right. I was one of those people that was waiting for this dumb thing to get restocked, and it never was getting restocked. So, okay, I'm gonna take my hair out. You know, I'm supposed to use towels, but whatever. I do have wavier hair. Okay, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so first I'm actually gonna start with my It's a 10 Miracle Keratin. I do 6 sprays of that. And I did just do another hair tutorial that I might not even post now because I won't really need to if I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I don't even know what I should put on first. So that's totally, I saw people putting it on combs. Do I do that? I can't really smell. I don't have as much hair as like everybody else that was doing this does. Oh, it smells good. And then you, I mean, my hair's already curly though. And I'm not gonna pull on my hair. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this and put that at the bottom and then I'll scrunch it. Oh, does that sound good? It has a smell and I cannot think of what the fucking smell name is. I'm gonna take what's on this side. Okay, and then I just did like 6 pumps all together. I don't know. When my hair starts to like pull, then I stop. And then I take the excess product. And then I'm gonna scrunch it. I'm gonna take my Glitterati. I do 6 pumps of that. I mesh that around in my hands. And I like to put this up in there, that kind of area. And that's all in my hair. And so then now I'm gonna do the sea salt spray. Spray 12 inches away. I love how everything's like pinky. So that's what this looks like right now. Yeah. Y'all think I look good or what? I'm just gonna put a t-shirt on to like plop my hair. Like I put it, I'll show you. Okay, so I'm just taking this old thermal that I have, and then I hope you can see me. And then I do that. Take that. I do this. Okay, that's how I usually do it. And then, I don't know, just to make it where it'll stay a little bit. I usually do this for about like an hour. So yeah, I guess I'll be back and when it's dry to show you what it looks like, I guess. I don't know. This shit is my holy grail. This and this are so good. But I've just seen so many videos on Wavetech. And let me tell you the prices. Glitterati is $29 and then Salty Spray is $26. Wavetech is $27. In case you wanted to know. Well, I will be back. I'm probably gonna film a video. Okay, I'm in weird lighting. It's raining and I'm not in my where I film and my makeup starting right here. But look at my hair. My curls have never looked like this before. It's a little messy. I did have a little beanie on earlier. But look at my freaking curls and my waves, and they're just all thriving. And it's not even like completely dry yet, but I don't even know like if it could get better. So I highly recommend these freaking products. This is after one use, and I know if I get in a routine of it, then my hair is just gonna be like immaculate. So I think it's great. If you're wondering about this eyeshadow look, probably going up after this. It'll be the video after, but this is what we got going on. Literally look! Ah! Okay, Brad Mondo never tells a lie, okay? Brad Mondo, I owe you my life for making my hair like this. I'm still sick. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. Who is she? We don't know her, do we? No. I highly recommend this product, these products. Once again, I used the salt spray, I used Glitterati, and then I used the Wavetech. So, yes, I highly recommend. And my hair is super soft and it smells so good. So good. It smells delish, and my hair has like never like looked like this drying without me sleeping with it wet. This is just, and it's all just so uniform. I mean, I have some like stragglers obviously because I've been whipping my hair back and forth, but it is just so nice. I love it. I love it, period. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. You should totally subscribe, and if you're feeling crazy, hit that like button. Hey.